I bought this at the skate shop in Palm Springs when I was out there at the skate park. I saw it inside the skate shop and I was like, oh, that'd be sick for the garage. Since I've skated my whole life, since I was like pretty much born, so this had to be the first banner in the garage. Oof. Huh? Yeah, of course.
Damn, bro. You tripping.
Why?
There's some monster right here.
A monster right here?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, hell yeah.
They have turbo.
Yeah, it has a turbo.
Badass.
Thank you, man.
Alright.
Alright, have a good night.
You too.
Guys, so right now we're on our way to meet up with one of the winners for the 10K sub giveaway to give them a ride in the Z. So we're right down the street right now, and then we're gonna meet up with another guy tomorrow to give him a ride. Man, this feels early for me. It's only 11, but I literally just woke up like 30 minutes ago, so I'm still like half asleep right now. He has a 350Z too, so it's pretty sick. Oh, I see him right now. He's in a great 350Z. This thing's low, dude.
Yeah.
What's up? I'm David. Nice to meet you.
Daniel.
Nice to meet you. Dude, this thing's sick. Alright, let's go for a run.
Wait, so what hood are you gonna get?
I already ordered the VIS, the Terminator hood, the one I used to have. I ordered it on May 20th.
It's just on back order?
Yeah, I hit up the guy that I ordered it from, and he said that he hasn't gotten a word from VIS yet. So we're still just waiting to hear back or see when they're gonna send him some hoods. Yeah, everything's taking long. Like I ordered Nismo lug nuts from Injuku Racing.
That's taking forever too.
3 months ago.
God damn.
And I called them and they're like, give us a call in like 2-3 weeks. We should probably have an answer by then.
With a flutter? That shit sounds sick.
Yeah.
Yeah. Dude, that fucking turbo flutter.
It's loud.
Yeah, that shit is crazy.
And it's on your side too.
I
The
know.
turbo's right
I
underneath
literally
you.
hear it. That shit's crazy.
It's where you can hear it spooling.
Yeah.
When I sit on the passenger seat, I can hear it.
That's why.
I wanted to see you hammer that thing.
So much traffic.
It's too many traffic.
What's that?
It's too much traffic. Yeah.
Those tires are ridiculously sick.
Thank you, man.
Hooked up.
It's funny. I feel like a lot of the older people like the car just because of the tires.
Yeah.
Because they're like into that scene, like drag racing and
Yeah.
all that. So they probably think I'm like drag racing. I'm
Have
drag
you done
racing
a-
on the streets.
Have you done a quarter mile?
No, I haven't.
No. You know what's crazy?
Huh.
I've like never watched your videos when I like way before, and then I entered that giveaway just for fun, you know?
Yeah.
Because I barely found out about your channel,
Yeah.
and I was like, alright, I'm just gonna answer. I mean, I had never felt that before.
Oh man.
What the dude? It literally like you just fucking. I don't even know how to explain it. Yeah, you get sucked in. Holy shit.
Oh my god. The first pull I do is always like an adrenaline rush.
Dude, literally.
Yeah,
like,
it gets me pumping.
Dude, I had never felt that before. That shit is crazy. What the fuck? I've never felt that. Holy shit. Dude, wow. That is crazy.
Yeah.
I've never felt that.
The brake boost hits right away.
Yeah,
too.
dude, when Boost hits, he's fucking flying.
It's crazy. Boost feels different. It like pulls you, and then you
Yeah,
feel it like
you feel it
so
like just all
weird.
over your body, and like, I didn't expect you to do it right away either. Honestly, you caught me off guard. First time when you crashed the car, it was on a curve off.
Yeah, it was in yeah, it was up there more where it gets kind of curvy.
Yeah.
But it wasn't like a sharp curve. It was
Yeah, it was like kind of like going like that.
kind of long. Yeah.
But you didn't expect that, huh?
No, because I was in third gear, and back then when I would shift into fourth, I would shift like this. You're not
so
supposed
you
to.
fucking,
You're supposed to shift like this.
Yeah,
That
so
way you don't
go to
miss
second.
it. Yeah, and I was curving this way, so I yanked it towards me, you know, while curving. So that's why I went into second gear, and it locked my wheels.
Money
in the back.
shifted.
The car like redlined all the way to like 85,000 RPMs.
Oh my god.
I'm surprised my motor was still good after that, and then
Really?
still running strong still right now.
Damn. Saw that 7-foot dude coming here. I was like, oh shit.
Yeah, you have more room, huh?
Yeah.
7 foot, dude.
Wasn't that dude like 7 foot?
He was 6. I think he was 6'2".
Which one's the neighbor that hates you?
These two windows right here, same apartment, living room, and room. I'm guessing.
Yeah, the fastest car I was in, it was like a beat up 3, like old, maybe like E36 3 Series. The dude put like a single turbo, full built engine. I don't even know what it was. He just took me for a ride. He was making like 600 wheel.
Really?
It was insane.
Damn, so that's probably fast in that thing too.
It was
so
fast.
light.
It was gutted. Straight up gutted.
Dude, I think probably weighed like 2,500 pounds.
I was so fucking scared.
It's more scary when the car is gutted because everything's like bare metal in the car. And it just like feels sketchy being inside.
God damn.
You can smell the E85 when I give it a
love
little
that
bit of
fucking
gas.
smell, man.
It smells so sweet.
I'm only on stage 1, just ECU and TCU tune, so
How much do you think your car's making right now?
not a lot. It said on the, I use APR tune. It said crank. It was 420 stage 1, but
So
wheel probably like 3 something.
I'm guessing like 380 to 390 wheel.
But-
Usually it's like 30, 40 horsepower or less than what it is crank. It's a S4, S5.
That's 5.
S5.
Yeah. It's a supercharged V6, 3 liter,
What year is it?
13.
It's clean though, dude. The paint. You take really good care of it too, huh?
I want to ceramic coat it, detail it. It's just hand washing, honestly.
Yeah, same with mine. Well, I got mine ceramic coated, all that, full paint correction, almost 2 years ago.
How
I'm gonna
much
do
did-
another one again in thing next month because there's that show WECFest
Oh, okay. Yeah.
or Weekfest. That's in October, so I'll probably do it in October again.
Yeah, that S2K is clean, bro. That's a come up right there.
Yeah, I love that car. It's so fun. It's crazy. It's so slow, but it's like the driving experience you get in it. It's different. Every time I come here, I always run into another car guy because this is the only 85 station around here. Dude, I swear, people are always like, "Catch and run." I'm like, all right.
rush is just so fun. You never get tired of it, huh?
No, you get used to it, the power, and then you want more and more and more. It's crazy. We'll do a pull right here.
Brake boost.
That shit hits right away, huh? My hands are all sweaty because it's kind of like humid out, and then with this thing, it's slippery. How did that feel compared to the what is it, E36?
That is totally different.
Yeah?
Totally different.
Which one feels faster?
Definitely this one.
This one?
Bro, there's no comparison. That one just felt, now that I'm thinking about it, it was probably like 500 wheel, but it was gutted at the same time, so it felt like really, really freaking fast.
Yeah.
But this one just feels like it's planted and like straight power. Like it keeps pulling, it's insane.
Congratulations to the guys that won the ride along. Thank you, Vince and Daniel, for driving out here. I appreciate that. We were out trying to catch runs with someone, but no one would pull up, so we couldn't catch any runs, sadly, but it's all good. All right, guys, well, I'm gonna end the video right here. That was a lot of fun giving those guys a ride in the Z, having them experience it. I appreciate you guys for watching the videos and the support you guys give me, so I really appreciate that. It means a lot. But yeah, I'm gonna end the video right here. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys aren't subscribed, subscribe down below if you guys want to see more content with the Z and then with the S2K as well. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.